So I'll be showing you how to turn on the private Wi-Fi MAC address on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for previous iPhones and iPads. So go to settings. Under settings, go to Wi-Fi and then tap on the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. And then just in the Wi-Fi address section, you should see private Wi-Fi address. Turn that on. So before I turn that on, let me explain what this is. So you can see currently here we have our permanent Wi-Fi address. That's the Wi-Fi MAC address of this iPhone. But for security reasons, your iPhone will generate new Wi-Fi MAC addresses for every network it's connected to. And that should help you in your security, makes it harder for hackers to hack into your phone. So what you need to do is enable private Wi-Fi address, tap on continue. And once that is enabled, it should change your MAC address. So you can see now the Wi-Fi MAC address is now something different from what it was. And that's basically how to enable the private Wi-Fi address on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.